Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss about today's editorial page. And today's topic is Quantum Not a Solace. Supreme Court sentence on Bhushan diminishes its stature, exposes intolerant side. So the Supreme Court sentence that diminishes means that decreases the Bhushan his statements or anything. The penalty may be mild, but its import is quite grave. The penalty may be mild means it's very hard. Mild means in a very hard way. If the penalty is also very high, but its import is quite grave. But its import means which we get. That was very quite grave means that was very soft. I mean that was very less in a light way. Imposing a nominal fine of 1 rupee on Advocate Prashant Bhushan for criminal contempt of court and its event of the default, asking him to severe a 3-month simple prison term and be debarred for 3 years from legal practice. The Supreme Court has bared its dark, intolerant side. So here first, on imposing a nominal fine on 1 rupee Advocate Prashant Bhushan. On the Prashant Bhushan, for a criminal contempt of the court, for a criminal case, it was the event of default. Event means he had done a mistake and he need to get punishment for that. And asking him to severe a 3-month simple prison term and be debarred for 3 years for legal practice, and the Supreme Court has bared its dark, intolerant side. Now, this was its response to tweets that contained criticism of current CGI and some of his predecessors diminishes the court's stature. Much more the upstanding lawyers' tweets and the contaminated institutions and opinions that judiciary found unpalatable. So, the response which was given in the tweet means we have so many apps, right, in Twitter, especially in the Twitter. So we would get the tweets means statements or any order or any sentence given by some big people or normal people is called as a tweet, and that contained a criticism of current CJ. So in that they had criticized the current CJ means the present running CJ of his predecessor. Of his predecessor means of his past. The past thing happened to him. Diminishes the court's stature and much more the upstanding lawyer tweets that contain the institutions and opinions that are judiciable and palatable. So they are saying that even though he is having a bad past, we should not criticize him. So we have to understand him in a very clear way. So we could give any solutions to them. And during the hearing of the sentencing, it appeared that the bench had painted itself into the corner and was looking for a way out by seeking an apology so its quietus could be given to the whole issue. So here during the hearing means in courts they give hearings, right? So during that they had said that means the bench we had done a mistake they had said that the bench has moved itself to the wall and it had painted itself. Means they are saying that I had done my mistake by my own and I want to take an apology from you now. Actually the bench had moved to the corner and that he made a mistake and it had painted itself. Means he had covered his mistake without accepting it. And the other thing is I want to ask an apology. So that was the whole issue. However, Mr. Bhushan was in no mood to oblique, placing his bona fides and concerns about the need to give a face-saving option to the court to close the case. Means to close the case, actually he is giving his mood was not good, but he wanted to close the case as much as early possible. It is unfortunate that the court did not heed the Attorney General's wise counsel and that it should display magnanimity by not imposing any sentence. So without saying any mistakes or without saying any wrong things, we have to do our work. means without any recommendations. Like we have to do our work perfectly without recommendations and without covering our mistakes. The 82-page sentencing verdict, much like the 108-page judgment finding Mr. Bhushan guilty, sets much story by the claim and that it was so much the reputation of individual judges and the court is seeking to protect, but the standing of the institution in the eyes of the public whose faith and trust are necessary for its sustenance. So in the 82-page sentencing verdict, according to the 82 page, actually it was saying that it much like the more judgment was taken on the page 108, and even Mr. Bhushan was feeling guilty on that particular page or anything, and he was not interested to give that much of reputation on the standing of institutions in the eyes of the public. So public means if he had got a bad name, actually overall the public he would automatically get a bad name. If the court had given a judgment, that would be produced in many ways in the newspaper, in the magazines, in many ways it would be produced, and the eyes of public are very harmful because many members speak in many ways. Some members speak in a very right way, and some members speak even they don't know about the issue, they talk something rubbish about that particular thing, and whose faith and trust are necessary for its sustenance. It's the judiciary majesty, dignity and the trustworthiness which indeed the values of the state. It would have been far more advisable for the court not to have taken up this matter on his own motion. So he wanted to go on his own motion, means he wanted to stand on his legs own without depending on anyone. So he wanted to do his works on his own. So he was saying that according to the judiciary and dignity and the trustworthiness, his values were actually stake. Means, so for the instance, the defense of the truth taken by Mr. Bhushan has been characterized by something that aggravates the contempt. So the instant means the decision taken itself at that minute, taking decision by own in that second is called as instance. So the decision taken by Mr. Bhushan that was characterized by something, and that aggravates the contempt. The reasoning is right. Past CJS and retired judges who conducted the opinions were sought to be marshalled in Mr. Bhushan's defense could not have been embroiled in the correct proceedings. So actually the reasoning which was done was correct, and in the judges, the past CJS and the retired judges, means the judges who were retired, whose conduct the opinions were sought to be marshalled, their opinions were sought to be they were marshalled there, and Mr. Bhushan's couldn't have any embroiled in the current proceedings. So he couldn't have any place in the current proceedings, in the current political or judgmental. He don't have any type of proceedings over that. However, this was fairly obvious when the court issued notice to him. So it's fair that the court had accepted the case which was a done mistake by him. Surely someone cannot be found guilty to contempt without giving him an opportunity to explain the view the CJS last 6 years had contributed the destruction of the democracy. Even from Bhushan's side, they were saying that even they were not giving, even the court was not giving the chance, even one chance to explain his views. So directly it was taking the decision over that. The proceedings was fated to shine a light on the court's conduct rather than on the actions of the contemner. So the proceedings which was fated, the proceedings which are fated actually means which are wrote, actually they shine light, means they are very important. The court's conduct rather than the actions on the contemner. In the ultimate analysis, it is not a verdict that the pujas Mr. Bhushan of any conduct. Rather, it comes as an unfair but inevitable punishment for his refusal to apologize or express the regret of his opinions and conduct the judiciary in the recent times. So, like they are saying that he need to get a very heavy punishment. He thought to apologize for the court. They shouldn't accept that. Now let us discuss the meanings which were in this. Quantum means quantity, amount, pack or bulk. Quantity means an amount or a bulk of import we could get from the other countries, or the bulk means in a very huge way. Solace means comfort in time of distress, consolation and cheer. Means comfort in the time of distress. In the when we were in distress means when we were not in the stress, the time we got for the comfortations is called as solace. Satyr means a person's height, reputation, repute and status. Means a person's height and his height or his status or his repute is called as stature. Import means buying from abroad, indicate or signify. The things we get from abroad or the things we purchase from the abroad is called as import. Debarred means exclude or prohibit officially, ban or bar. Debar means we all know that in colleges or in some professional jobs, they debar the people who are working there. Means like they are prohibiting them officially. Predecessor means foreigner, prosecute and antecedent. Antecedent means which have happened in the past. Unpalatable means not pleasant to the taste. Unappetizing, disagreeable. Means we are not able to agree the things which are happened over this. Means that was not a mannerism. Martial means assemble to arrange the people in groups, gather, collect. Means we are arranging the people in a particular groups or arranging them as a set is called as martial. Contempt means disagreed, disrespect means not giving respect to the others, or a disregard means I'm not including him. Sustenance means maintenance, means of support or nourishment, food. Food means like here we have to consider the word food, and the maintenance we are doing over that is called as sustenance. So this is today's video. Thank you.